Okay, so today we're going to be doing a race. So what's your prediction on this race?
I say I'm going to beat him on my pocket bike.
You're going to beat me on your pocket bike versus my cruising cooler?
That is electric.
You think you're going to be able to beat it?
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of race are we going to do?
I think we're going to do a drag race.
Okay, drag race? Okay. And your prediction is you're going to come in top of me?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to have a race.
Yeah, what's your prediction? Who do you think's going to win?
I think I'm going to actually blow your doors off because that motorcycle doesn't have doors anymore from the last time I was around you. So I think in this drag race, your pocket bike's going to be in the back pocket of me.
Okay.
So we'll see now who's going to win.
Okay.
Go! Go!
I beat him. Mom's gonna say go. Say go. Tell us when to go.
Say go.
She is. She's saying, ready? Go. I beat him.
Who won?
I think I did.
Oh, you think you did? I'm pretty sure I won.
I don't know. It was racing back.
Oh, racing back? Oh, you cheated.
It was racing back as well. I got no brakes. Not good with no brakes.
Yeah.
I'm like, whoa, I can't stop it. There we go.
Funny. That was actually really funny. I was like, oh shit, you dick.
That's better. This thing got in a death wobble on me.
Yeah, I know, I saw that.
I'm like, ah.
I got like really bad start. Here, you want to race this and I'll race that?
No, I don't have any pickup.
You okay?
I don't have any
Race
pickup.
this.
I got to go faster like this. We need a rolling start.
What?
We need a rolling start.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Oh, go!
Yeah, see, a rolling start, I'll take you. Watch out you don't fall. A rolling start, I might have taken you.
No, I didn't have it.
A rolling start, I might have taken you.
You have too much choke.